Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable automatically Resend as text, SMS, or MMS for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the text messages app. In here, tap on the option key at the top. And from the pop-up menu, select Settings. In Settings, tap on Chat Features, and then go down and tap on the Automatically Resend as Text, SMS, or MMS toggle button to switch it on or off. Now say that messages sent as text, SMS, or MMS are end-to-end encrypted and don't preserve media clarity. Carrier charges may apply. So if you are sure, tap on Allowed. Otherwise, you can switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages list, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.